Hi, this is Mark from Two Dog RC and Sunny, and today I'm going to show you what our project is for this weekend. I'm going to take my Taranis. All done. Good job. All right, I'll get my more helpful actor up here. Milo, come here. Sit. Good boy. All right, so our project that me and Milo are going to work on. So I'm going to take my old Taranis that I just spray painted white. Looks really bad. And put a new shell onto it. We just got these in. This is a fireball skull shell that was hydrodipped. These are hydrodipped from, what do you think, Milo? Pretty cool. These come hydrodipped from Frsky and I like this, front and the back. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut this little area out here to put my module in, but let's see. Oh no, it's just a door, so that's good. So basically, you take this white shell off and put this cool shell back on. And these come with all your new stickers, a new screen plate, the little buttons that go on the screen plate, like on the front of your menu, to access the menu, and new screws as well. So it looks like that's going to be a project. I'll do a little video on how I did it, and we'll put that up on the web. So if you want one of these, we've got them under the radios and Frsky on the Two Dog RC website.